China saw imports unexpectedly tumble over January and February, with exports also cooling off. Inbound shipments dropped 8.4% when they had been expected to rise. Exports grew at less than half the forecast rate. The disappointing figures come as a trade war heats up. Since taking office, US President Donald Trump has imposed an extra 10% tariff on Chinese goods.
We're going to do very well against China and against everybody else.
And then doubled it for a cumulative 20% in new levies. Now, the drop-off in export growth may be related to shippers rushing out goods in previous weeks to get ahead of the curbs. As for imports, experts say it may show that Beijing is scaling back purchases of key commodities. Numbers were down for grains, iron ore and crude oil. One economist told Reuters that China probably imported too much of such goods last year and now needs to scale back. Looking ahead, the question is how much effect US tariffs will have, and whether yet more are on the way. Speaking Friday, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi said Beijing would respond firmly to any new moves. He said unwarranted tariffs were not befitting of a major power. China has already imposed retaliatory duties on some US goods in response to Washington's actions. Looking inwards, it has also vowed steps to boost domestic consumption, which the country's premier this week called weak and insufficient.